Are you a real estate agent struggling to generate leads and increase sales? You're not alone. In fact, many agents face the same challenge, but there's a solution. Unlocking your potential client base is the key. And in this video, I'm gonna reveal insider tips and strategies on how to build your brand and create effective marketing that can help you take your real estate business to the next level. Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned pro, these proven techniques will give you the competitive edge you need to succeed in today's market. So let's get started. The first step is to develop a consistent visual identity. This includes your logo, your color scheme, and font choices. A recognizable and memorable brand image will set you apart from the competition. Next, establish a strong online presence by creating a website, social media accounts, and business listings on relevant directories. Your online platforms are your virtual storefront and can showcase your brand and share valuable content with potential clients. Number 3, develop content marketing strategy to share valuable and informative content with potential clients. This could include blog posts, videos, or social media posts. By providing value, you establish yourself as a trusted authority in the industry. Number 4, partner with local businesses and organizations to build your brand and increase your visibility in the community. This could include sponsoring local events, hosting a booth at a local fair, or partnering with a charity. Next, you use targeted advertising to reach potential clients who are most likely to be interested in your services. This could include targeted social media ads, Google AdWords, or local print ads. Host events to bring potential clients together and showcase your expertise in the real estate industry. This could include hosting a first-time homebuyer seminar, a real estate investment workshop, or a charity fundraiser. Finally, follow up with past clients to build relationships and generate referrals. This could include sending a personal note or email, inviting them to an event, or offering a special promotion for their referrals. By implementing these strategies, you can build your brand and establish yourself as a trusted and knowledgeable real estate agent in your community. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow real estate agents who could also benefit from these strategies.